Hi there. Today I will be showing you how to format your SD card and make your SD card unable to be recovered. Means no one can get any data from your SD card even if you give it away or gets lost or stolen. So, this is my SD card of 8 GB. I may have to share this with anyone, but for safety reason I want to make it barren or irrecoverable. With normal format, you may see just 5 to 10 seconds to format or erase a SD card. But now you will see the difference. Simply right-click and format. Untick the box of Quick Format. And start. The format is being done. Here you can see the time of start. It's 2:04 p.m. It would take more than 15 minutes or more to be done. As you can see that now it's 2:24 p.m. Almost 20 minutes taken by the format, which is really annoying but useful for you to stop recovery. So, this is how you can clean any SD card before giving to anyone southwest that the drive cannot be recovered. Hope this helped you. Please be with us and also subscribe to Joseph IT. Goodbye.